Hello everyone, it's Martin, your local real estate advisor, live from my home office. And today we're tackling the big question, is now the right time for you to become a homeowner? Let's dive into this together and see if we can uncover the answers that you need. Now imagine you're piecing together a puzzle, and that puzzle is about deciding whether or not to buy a home in today's market. Well, guess what? I'm here today to help you connect those pieces together to make sense of it all. First things first, let's talk about financing and qualifying. So if your money situation is already set for homeownership, that's already a great start. However, think of your budget as a roadmap guiding you on this journey. Having a clear view of your financial starting point is critical to getting into the home of your dreams. I would always suggest you speak to one of my trusted mortgage lender partners to evaluate your finances and put together a game plan that leads you to pre-qualifying for the home you're looking to buy. Okay, guys, now let's talk about something that might just be on your mind and probably why you're watching this video, rising interest rates. It's only natural to be concerned, but remember, everyone's situation is different and there still are solutions. Now, this is where my expert mortgage partners come in. They're equipped to address all your worries, explain how higher interest rates could affect your monthly payments, and help you navigate this dynamic market. Together, we'll create a plan that aligns with your goals, whether it's exploring fixed rate mortgages, considering an adjustable rate mortgage, or finding tailored solutions. Our combined expertise will ensure that you make a well-informed decision. Now, I do want to explain my perspective on the current rate topic a little further. So first, just let me start with some facts about the current market and as it relates to demand. The median age for first-time home buyers today nationwide is 34 years old, okay? The millennials that represent the largest wave of home buyers we've ever seen. We haven't seen a boom like this in home buyer demand since our military came back from just after the war, where there were just so many people looking to buy homes back then. Now, the median age of people moving out of their parents' homes is 26 years old. So think about that, right? The number of those between 28 and 38 years old is approximately 50 million people nationwide. That's a massive demand of potential home buyers today. So what do you think will happen when rates do drop? Well, what's probably going to happen is we're going to have a huge spike in demand and a shortage of homes to meet this massive amount of demand, and then costs of buying will increase dramatically. Why? Because all the buyer's leverage to negotiate is out the window. That means no more seller repairs, no more sellers paying closing costs, no more seller concessions, period. Plus, you'll be competing with multiple offers on every home because there's not really a way for home inventory to be able to keep up with such demand in such a short amount of time. So competition to buy will be fierce. So the game you really want to be playing now is the home ownership game, which will bring you a foundation of building equity and not playing the rate game. Why am I so passionate about this topic? Just to give you a little backstory, I'm actually what you would consider an older millennial born in 1982. I purchased my first home on my own single at the age of 30 back in 2012. So trust me, I can completely understand what it's like to purchase your first home in your early 30s. And I was fortunate enough to take advantage of low demand back then and able to afford a medium home with my single income at the time. Now, luckily for millennials today that are watching this, who better understands and can represent you as a millennial buyer other than a slightly older millennial realtor? So that's my take. Consider me your slightly older millennial real estate advisor that can truly relate on a very personal level. What if you're in a situation where you really need a home? If that's the case and you're in a place to make it happen, it may just be the right time. We all know that life throws curveballs, and sometimes you just need that safe haven. For example, if you're moving out of state for work and you have the means to purchase a home for your family to start fresh, why not make the decision to buy? So if you can manage it, that's a positive move to make. Now, I know this next situation can be challenging, so I do sympathize, but is your family going through some changes like a divorce? While unfortunate, consider the real estate market can be confusing. Getting a home can provide stability during these uncertain times. Even when the market feels unpredictable, having your own space can be the new start that provides comfort and financial stability for the next chapter ahead. Just on a personal note, I did grow up in a divorced household. So anytime I work with a client in this situation, I always make sure it is as smooth and stress-free for them as possible. Okay, teamwork makes the dream work. Not to mention, will keep things exciting. If you and your family members are looking to purchase a home together, it's like having more pieces of the puzzle to work with. Collaborating could unlock doors you hadn't even thought of. For example, double the income means more options for larger homes with the ones you love. And it's possible those relatives like parents or in-laws could use the extra help as well. Dreaming of a modern, spacious home? If you're joining forces with family members and finding a home that meets everyone's needs, it's time to give a serious thought to making that move. Thinking about downsizing to a smaller or cozier home. If you got the financial freedom to do so and the payment fits comfortably, it's definitely worth considering. Sometimes a smaller space can lead to bigger adventures. More money left over in your budget can free you up for all kinds of fun possibilities. Now, this example reminds me of some clients that I sat down with that are looking to leave their current home where they have adult children living in with them so that they can move on to something smaller and have more privacy in a different area that they prefer. And so this would be a great time for you to explore that possibility and see if it makes sense for you. So, whether it's the concern about interest rates or simply the excitement of finding your dream home, know this: you're not alone on this journey. The market may be changing, but my team and I are here to guide you through every step. Let's talk about your story and figure out if it's your moment to become a homeowner, whether it's navigating rising rates or confidently embracing homeownership for the first time. Let's walk this path together. Reach out and let's get started. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real estate insights and practical tips. And remember, I'm always here to help turn your questions into opportunities. Message me below. I love connecting with my viewers and helping any way I can. So until next time, this is Martin with Keeping the American Dream Alive, signing off from my Arizona home office.